Diwali is a 5-day festival. The first day of Diwali is called as Dhanteras. Dhanteras is considered as a very auspicious time, to buy new gadgets, gold, silver, diamonds, any jewelry, a new home, a new car, a new motorcycle or any new gadget, start a new factory, start a new office. The Lokhandwala market is a happening place. Most Bollywood stars, most television stars, celebrities, reality show stars and all stay here. And there are more than I would say 100 or 150 salons. There's another one, beauty salons. They all are here. And this entire stretch of 2 kilometers is like a square kilometer area. Lokhandwala market is very happening, and you have everything here, right from plumbing material to the most expensive jewelry. There's everything in this market. So let's walk along and have a look. This is the store for the little ones. They also need to dress up for Diwali. So this is what they can buy, right from the ages of 2 till whatever age you like. It's available for everybody.
Happy Diwali! Come to India soon!
Happy Diwali! Hi guys, Happy Diwali! Come to India soon!
Hi guys, Happy Diwali! Come to India soon. It's a great place.
Wish you Happy Diwali! Come to India soon!
The last day of the Diwali festival is known as Bhau Beej. This is the very special festival which celebrates the love between a brother and a sister. On this day, either the sister visits from her married home to her parents' home to meet her brother, or the other way around. Sometimes the brother goes to a married sister's home. Bhau Beej is different from the other festival which comes in some other month, which is known as Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi. Again, once more, a ladies' shop. Very trendy, very fashionable. Lokhandwala normally picks up the fashion what the Bollywood young girls, celebrities, actresses, actors are wearing, and very soon it's available in the market for a fraction of a cost. And youngsters just love to wear all this latest stuff.
Happy Diwali! Come to India soon!
This is Home Story, a very popular store for buying all home stuff which require. That's a flower shop next to that. If you've got to go for an important date or an important evening, this is the place to pick up your flowers.
Hey guys, come to India. Happy Diwali. Dance with me.
Happy Diwali! Come to India soon and enjoy!
This is the immensely popular Naturals ice cream parlor. It's open till 1 in the night. It's doing really well. People love the natural ice creams. It's a local brand of Juhu, Mumbai, and it's got many stores all over Mumbai in a franchise system. That's another diamond shop, the Diamond Factory, and opposite that is a place called Ghani's. If you can get a closer view of it, this is another homegrown local ice cream store, very popular and is famous all over India these days. There's Lokhandwala for you, full of traffic. It has got traffic throughout the year and more so in the Diwali period. Colorful lights all along. You can see slippers on sale. They make them here and they sell it also. Very reasonable, between 300 to 600 rupees, 300 to 600 rupees. They last a few months and they make it here. They have all sizes and shapes and colors, and these are the lights. That's one of the mini buses which has been introduced in Mumbai just about 6 months or 1 year back, because earlier the buses were too big and Happy Diwali! And the bigger buses were difficult to maneuver, so the government has wisely decided to use this 20-25 seater buses so that they can be easy to maneuver in the traffic. As you can see, this is the apartment of almost 10 or 12 floors, and at the base of the apartment is the market. That's Mahir store for fashion and clothes and stuff like that. Mumbai rickshawalas are a nice lot. They always oblige you when you stop them, and most of them are very honest and they follow the meter. Mumbai, you'll always have a nice experience with the rickshaw drivers, because they'll always say yes no matter how far, how close you got to go, and they'll be honest and they'll follow the meter. So they are a sorted lot. Advertising, branding outside a rickshaw cover. This is Breadcraft, a very popular bakery and snack store in Mumbai, in Lokhandwala market. They have a branch in Bandra also. As you can see, shawarma is being made, lot of chicken sandwiches, veg sandwiches, rolls, puffs and lots of other stuff, brown bread, everything, juices and all people get here. Very popular for people to take a stop. Wellness Forever is a chemist show, very popular. It works round the clock, 24/7. There's a shop called Dizaki with the latest fashionable stuff. And another popular cake shop is Dale's Eden, a sweet experience. Yeah, you can see the gift items kept there for people to buy and gift it to their loved ones, to their families, relatives. They all are sold ready-made, so that you don't have to go and pack it at home. It's all ready-made. You can see dry fruits, chocolates, another popular Indian sweets like laddu, pedas, badam, barfis, halwas, many other things.
My name is Sweetie.
Hi, Sweetie.
Yeah, hi.
So what are your plans for Diwali this year?
Well, I'm going to Chandigarh to celebrate this Diwali with my family. It was good because by the grace of God, it was very nice, and I'm very thankful to God. Yeah, I wish you all the very best for the new year, and I wish you a very happy Diwali, everyone. Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! Come to India soon! Yay!
Well, I hope you've enjoyed these two parts of Diwali at Lokhandwala, part 1 and part 2 with us here. Me and my team enjoyed putting up this for you, both the episodes, and we look forward to your comments and your feedbacks on the episode, and also what else would you like to hear from us and know from us about India and see from us in our future episodes. We look forward to seeing you soon in our future videos. So please do like, share and subscribe to our videos. So long for now. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.